Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to see all about maps. There is a map on my lap by Trish Rabe, illustrated by Aristides Ruiz, The Cat in the Hat Learning Library. I am the cat in the hat and I am happy to say there is a map on my lap. Let's get on our way. We will travel the world, see the whole United States of America, and still be back home by the end of the day. Maps are drawings that help to find out where you are and get where you are going, no matter how far. When map makers make maps, they must first decide who will be using the map and what it needs to do. Cartographer. Cartographer is just a more formal name for a map maker, but both their jobs are the same. The map of the earth that we use most of all is a globe. Like the earth, it is round as a ball. Okay, peel the skin off an orange and lay it out flat. The flat map of the earth would look something like that. Longitude. These are longitude lines which run up and run down. Run up and run down. Latitude. Latitude lines go around and around. Now, if maps were the size of the places they show, map makers would run out of paper. And so, a chart called a scale makes maps easy to use, shrinking miles into inches on each map that you choose. Scale. Scale makes everything smaller and helps you and me carry the world around easily. You can make a map of 4 places you roam or a map called a plan of your very own home. We use this scale 1 inch equals 3 feet. It helped us do something we both think is neat. We drew our whole room so it fits on one sheet. Hmm. There are 4 main directions. All maps have got them, okay? North is on top, south down at the bottom. If you look to the right, that is where east will be. Look to the left and it's west that you see. NEWS, news. News is the abbreviation of all the 4 directions: north, east, west, south. Okay? Compass rose. Come on, go ahead. Let us go ahead and see. To remember all 4, here is one easy way. Never eat soggy wheat. North, east, south, southwest. So you can remember news also. NEWS, news. N means north, E means east, W means west, S means south. News, actually the news abbreviation itself is all the directions. Is what I always say. I have here an atlas. Come on, take a look. You will find lots of maps and they are all in this book. This is map. Sometimes maps use pictures to show where things are. A capital city is marked with a star. A tent shows a campsite. Tracks show where a train is. To get to the airport, just find where a plane is. Okay, legend. Star, capital city. This symbol is for train and this is campsite. A chart called a legend, if you look carefully, will list and explain each picture you see. Some maps use colors to tell you a lot. I use blue where it's cold and red where it's hot. I made deserts light brown and jungles bright green. The legend will show you what these colors mean. Marine charts help boaters. These maps let them know if a rock, a reef, or sandbar is hiding below. When you visit a city where you have never been, a city map helps you know where to begin. Here is a map we both carry around. It shows where the subway runs under the ground. Okay, topographical maps. Okay, topographical maps are the kind hikers like. They use them to choose which direction to hike. They show where the land rises hilly and steep or goes down into valleys, all rocky and deep. It's a big world we live in. Here is one way to hold it. Pick up a map and then simply unfold it. Dot maps like this one are covered with dots. Some have a few dots, but some others have lots. Each dot stands for something. On this map you see, each dot stands for one. Frizzle, frazzled, frizzy. Most phrases live up north where the haircuts are free. When you look at a map, it's important to see there is more than one way from point A to point B. Firefighters use maps when they go fight a fire. The short way would take them down Woogle to wire. But traffic on wire can be a disaster. So they choose a long way that's also much faster. When you want to go from Fazo to Fazend, you can measure the miles for the road does not bend. But in order to go from Fazo to Phasing on the 15th of May for the big phasing thing, the road twists and turns. So first cut off some string, put it down on the road all the way to Phasing, then take out your ruler and measure the string. The scale on this map helps you see that it's far. 1 inch equals 10 miles. So, welcome to the big phasing thing. Use this trick to read maps. You will be glad that you did. Some are covered with lines, that is known as grid. There are letters on top, numbers run down the side. Want to find where you are? Let the grid be your guide. Trace a line down from A, look across a line 4. The lines cross at A4 at your very own door. We are having a party, we are waiting for you. Take a look at the grid. There is our house at E2. Here is a map that I just got today. It's a puzzle map showing the whole United States of America. Puzzle maps come in pieces, and here's the best part. You can put them together, then take them apart. Okay, here is a question. We can't wait to ask, yeah. What state is the largest? It's this one, Alaska. Now, which of the states do you think is the smallest? You're right. It's Rhode Island, the smallest of allest. Here's a game that we play, so feel free to play too. What does each of the 50 states look like to you? Hmm. Michigan looks like a scarf and a mitten. Louisiana looks like a chair you could sit in. You will have great adventures your whole life, and so I give you these maps. Oh, the places you will go. You may travel the world, but no matter how far with a map on your lap, you will know where you are. You can always use maps. They will help you in knowing where you have been and just where you are going. Glossary. Capital. A city where the government of a state or country is located. Cartographer. A person who makes maps. Equator. An imaginary line that circles the middle of the earth between the north and the south poles. Globe. A representation of the earth in the shape of a ball. Grid. A pattern of lines on a map usually running north, south and east west that is used for giving positions. Latitude. Imaginary lines on the earth that run east and west parallel to the equator. Legend. The part of a map that lists and explains the symbols, colors and scale used for the map. Longitude. Imaginary line on the earth that run north and south and meet at the poles. Map. A flat representation of the earth or a part of the earth that shows the relative position of places. Scale. The relationship between the actual size of an area and its size on a map. Symbol. A sign or drawing that stands for something else. Topographical map. A map that shows the shape and changing elevation of the land's surface. Thank you very much for watching. This is all about maps. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you. Bye bye bye. Bye.